platforms are available through which you can actually show the client the portfolios online, which is again very important. It reduces your cost to actually print the thing and deliver it. Everyone in this room will actually agree with me that all of you are almost IFAs, right? And for you, relationship plays a very important, right? So even if everything becomes technical, your system, your website automatically sends mail, receives mail, responds to that, you don't want that to happen for a longer time. At the end of the day, you want you to personally connect with that person. Because reference plays a very important role in this industry. For this particular aspect, social media plays a very important role in your life. The social media is a platform where you can actually increase your contacts, and everywhere there is a key term known as recommendation. Whether it is Facebook, whether it is LinkedIn, recommendation is a very important thing. Now, for example, I will tell you one suggestion. Suppose if you have a Facebook page and Facebook account and you have liked Mercedes Benz, all of a sudden, if I am your friend, I see an ad of Mercedes Benz, decide that it will be given that your name will be shown likes this. Okay, so that gives me, okay, he also likes this, so let me like it. This is very important. Number two, if you go beyond that, if you how many of you are in LinkedIn? How many of you have heard of LinkedIn?
Heard of LinkedIn.
It's quite surprising, but in one word, I will tell you that there are almost 17 websites which come under the bracket of social media. Social media doesn't only mean having friends and groups and chats. Social media means a platform where you can share. It can be a SlideShare, it can be a YouTube, it can be Twitter, it can be Facebook, LinkedIn, Orkut, everywhere. Google Plus. Now, out of all these, if you concentrate only on one website, on one platform, that would help you the most in your business is LinkedIn. LinkedIn, can anyone describe what LinkedIn is?
Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it.
I will tell you that almost every professional in the field have a profile on LinkedIn. And suppose if you have a Facebook page or Facebook account, it is always not recommended that you add your clients on that. You have to understand that what is Facebook for, what is LinkedIn for, what is Twitter for. Every individual social media has its own priorities. Suppose what happens if I add one of my friends into Facebook and I add one of my clients into Facebook. And suddenly I put up a picture of I having a great time in Goa Sea Beach in my Facebook page, and one of my friends write a funny comment on that. You know what? Suddenly all my clients see that, and you can imagine what kind of negative effect it can bring on my relationship with my client. Okay? So it is always important to segregate whom to keep on Facebook, whom to keep on LinkedIn. Now I will just focus only on LinkedIn because I personally think that that is a very important platform for all of you. I'll just take 2 minutes to say about LinkedIn.
Sorry, but I guess we are in pause of time to the second session.
Would you be able to help all of them create and solve the queries on online website, etc.?
Yes.
That you will be able to, right? Can you please share your contact?
Just note down my mail ID.
What I suggest is if
Yes, this is the right one.
yes. Okay, whatever questions you have and whatever inquiries,
How it is settled?
how is it possible, and if, what are your challenges?
Lot of things.
How to get to investor?
S-A-Y-A. S-A-Y-A.
Alright? SY.
Sayan. Sayan, S-A-Y-O-N. Sayon. 얘 타이틀, 뭐 타이틀 모르겠어.
@brandwiz, BRAND brand WIZZ.com.
SAYAK Sayak @SA Singapore Alo Uganda sorry Y is something else Yangon A for Apple K for King Sayak @brandbiz brand BRANDBIZZ.com. That's his email ID and you
Yeah, it's 98300 11612.
98300 98300 11612. Got it? Name is Sayak, SAYAK, Sayak. Whatever queries you have, একটা লিস্টে লিখে নিন কিরকম করা যায় কি করা যায় and please either speak to him or email it to him. He will respond back. Correct? Because of paucity of time, we have to close the session. Yes, sir. One last question. Brand BRAND, brand BIZZ, BIZZ. Bombay, India, Zoo.